From sports news stories, Ademola Lukman, a Super Eagles star, received a grand welcome in Lagos after a successful football session in Europe. Lukman arrived in Nigeria holding his 2024 CAF Men's Player of the Year trophy. This is the first time he has brought the special award to Lagos since winning it in December 2024. Fans filled the airport to cheer for him, waved Nigerian flags and shouted his name as he walked through the crowd. People were proud to see a Nigerian player achieve such a great honor. The CAF's Men Player of the Year award is the biggest individual football award in Africa. Lukman won it by beating top African stars like Morocco's Achraf Hakimi. He helped the Super Eagles reach the final of the 2023 African Cup of Nations and also won the Europa League for his club, Atalanta. In 2024/2025 season, Lukman scored 15 goals in Italy's Serie A league. He also made 61 key passes and was named in the Serie A team of the season. His match rating was 7.24, showing he was one of the top players in the league. Lukman's football journey has been amazing. His return to Lagos with the CAF award is not just his personal victory, it is a proud moment for the whole country. Lukman's story is a shining example of what Nigerian players can achieve. While this visit is also a sign of hope for many young football fans in Nigeria, it shows that hard work and talent can lead to success at the highest levels. We'll continue to supply you more sports news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.